Every 4 years, billions of people stop to watch the FIFA World Cup. They cheer, they celebrate, they dream. But before the first whistle is blown, before the first goal is scored, there is one thing every player touches: the football.
It is a Pakistani football that the world is
Mexico and Canada, Pakistan is truly at the heart of the global game.
You can be proud.
Not many people know the journey for most of these balls begins. Than 70% of the world's footballs
As
are
the
made in
world's
Sialko's
watchers, the biggest
1,000
football
plus factories,
stars compete
and
at the FIFA
inflatable
World Cup
rubber bladder is
2026.
created
You may
and
realize
inflated.
that Pakistan is playing a crucial role in every single match.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Zara and welcome to GOPT Academy. For many years, the football has carried a quite a story from Pakistan. In the city of Sialkot, thousands of skilled workers spend their days making footballs by hand and with modern technology. This city is not famous for giant stadiums. It is famous for craftsmanship. In fact, Sialkot produces a huge share of world's football. Many of the biggest sports brands make their footballs here. Official FIFA World Cup match balls have also been made in this city for several tournaments. Here is the amazing part. Pakistan has never played in FIFA World Cup, but Pakistan is still part of the tournament. Every pass, every save, every goal, every unforgettable moment starts with a ball made by Pakistani hands. Making a World Cup football is not easy. Each ball must be perfectly round. It must fly the same way every time. It is tested for speed, weight, balance, water resistance, and durability before it can be used on the world's biggest stage. For the workers in Sialkot, this is more than a job. This is tradition passed from one generation to the next. Many families have been making footballs for decades. They may never play in a World Cup, but their work reaches millions of fans across the globe. So the next time you watch the World Cup match, look beyond the players, look beyond the stadium, because somewhere inside that game, there is a small piece of Pakistan, not wearing a jersey, not standing on the pitch, but rolling across it, quietly connecting one city to the entire football world.